Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to log out of Messenger. So this is going to be a very easy one, so let's get started. So there's actually two ways and you can actually log out from your Messenger account. So I'll be showing you these two ways here, so let's get started with the first way. So the first way includes going to the account center on our Messenger app. So let's just open up our Messenger application and we want to go to the top left of your screen. That's where the three bar icon is. And from here, you want to click on the gear icon that you see at the top of your screen. Now here, you want to go to the very bottom until you see the meta section that says account center. Just click on see more in account center. And let's just click on that. And from here, you want to go to password and security. Now in here, what we want to do is we want to go to where you're logged in. Just click on that. And from here, you want to choose the account that you want to log out from. So just choose this one. So right now, as you can see, I'm using my phone for this current account here, but as well I have different unknown devices that I'm currently logged in. So how do I actually log out from those unknown devices right now? So for you to log out from those, you just need to click on select device to log out. So if you've accidentally logged in, or you've logged into another device, or you're in your friend's device and forgot to log out, then this is the way to do this. So select the device that you want to log out from. So I'm just going to choose all of this one since I don't use these accounts, or I don't use those devices now. So just click on log out. And just click on log out, and I'll be logged out from those devices. Since I chose all of the accounts there, it's also going to actually log me out from my device here. As you can see right now, it's going to say log in another account. So just exit this one and try accessing Messenger again to see if that actually works. So I've just successfully logged out from my account. As you can see right now, it's going to ask me to log in again. So just log in again as an example. And here I'm back in my account. So that's the first way for you to actually log out from your account. So how do we actually log out from an account the second way? So if you can't access account center, but most accounts would have the account center option available to them, you could also access it via Facebook, but you could also access it via Messenger. But yeah, so going back, how do you do the other way of actually logging out from your account? So for you to log out from your account, you need to access your settings. So you could actually access your settings via the settings app here. So just click on settings, and here you want to look for apps, and here you want to go to manage apps, and from here what you want to do is you want to look for Messenger. So let's just quickly search for Messenger here and just type in Messenger here. Just open this up and you'll be able to access this UI here. So if you can't see your settings here, I'll show you an easier way to access your settings here. Just go and find the Messenger application here. Just press and hold on it, and you want to go to app info, and it's going to bring up that same UI that we see before. Now here, what you want to do is you want to click on clear data, and from here you just need to click on clear all data, and it's going to clear any data you have on that application, basically logging out from that specific app in your phone. So if you clear your data, you'll be automatically logged out from your account. And yeah, and that's about it. So that's the two options that you could do to actually log out from your account, and that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.